You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 30th of April. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather wet in many spots to start the day. For the northern half of the state, South Alabama relatively dry. In fact, let's go right to the radar. We're live this morning at the insane hour of 5:07 a.m. And you can see it's raining for parts of North Alabama. Some thunderstorms involved as well, nothing severe. Some of the better rains in northern Tuscaloosa, Walker, northern Jefferson, and Cullman counties. Kind of a noisy way to start the day for places like Dora, Summerton, Parrish. Rain falling over the Tennessee Valley, around Huntsville, Decatur, Scottsboro. And again, most of this should be out of here by, I'd say 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon. I'd say a decent chunk of the afternoon should be dry. We'll check the radar coming out of Mobile and also a few scattered storms over Baldwin County to start the day. And again, nothing severe, but just kind of a noisy wake-up call. Rain falling around the eastern shore at Fairhope, moving over toward Foley and Robertsdale. Also got some rain over the northern part of Baldwin County as well. So here's the upper air look this morning. You can see the short wave producing the rain we have this morning. That will be moving east of the state this afternoon. That's the radar composite, the big view across the Deep South. The rain we have over North Alabama extending up into parts of Tennessee around the Cumberland Plateau this morning. Very mild to start the day. We got mostly 60s. Birmingham at 70. It's that good urban heat island effect. UHI. 66 Montgomery, 62 for Huntsville, Mobile 69. Highs around 80 today. Here's the watch warning map this morning. There is a dense fog advisory for North Mississippi and West Tennessee, much of Arkansas and Louisiana. Other than that, pretty quiet morning. But more active convection later today for parts of the Corn Belt, the nation's midsection. Kansas City up toward Des Moines, there is an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 of severe storms. The broad risk running from West Texas to the western Great Lakes. This is tomorrow. Again, we have an enhanced risk over parts of Kansas. That risk extending down into Texas. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk of severe storms from near Abilene, Texas, up to Des Moines and far southwestern Wisconsin. All of this staying well to the west of Alabama. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. This counts the rain we had this morning. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Amounts 1/2 to 1 inch for the northern half of the state, under 1/2 inch for much of South Alabama. And we will see rain chances coming back by Friday in the weekend. But like we've talked about, the weekend not a washout, but yes, some rain at times. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. Little shortwave trough east of Alabama. And again, the bulk of the showers should be out of here by early afternoon. Let's go to the high-res HER model. HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh. This is valid at 19Z. That is 2 o'clock local time. And again, you can see a few lingering showers over the eastern and southern counties. But again, that's moving out of the state. The sun could break through at times this afternoon. Highs are today around 80, maybe low 80s. Tomorrow, we are warm and dry. Highs up in the middle 80s, the sky partly to mostly sunny. And the same thing on Thursday, upper 80s likely. We might see a few spots hitting 90. And again, showers and thunderstorms well to the west. This is Friday, evidence we could see a few showers creeping into the northern half of the state. Now, if you're in South Alabama, Friday should be dry. North Alabama, cloudy at times. The chance of showers, not raining all day. And again, highs will be in the 80s. So for the weekend, same idea as we talked about yesterday. Is there a chance of rain? Yes. Will it rain all weekend? No. The sun should break out at times, but just keep in mind from time to time there could be a few showers about. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Clearly the better chance of showers over the weekend over the northern half of the state. A decent chunk of South Alabama should be dry. Highs holding in the 80s. So again, if you got something planned outdoors, we can't tell you exactly when it's going to rain. We're getting it close to summer here, where every day we'll have the chance of random scattered showers, and that'll be the case over the weekend. The better chance, afternoon and evening, maybe a morning shower in spots. Monday, pretty much the same thing, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, May 7th. Got a negative tilt trough over the northern plain states, but again, a ridge here. And with that ridge, that looks warm and dry. Showers and thunderstorms well to the north and west. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, May the 9th, troughing in the western states. But again, we've got that ridge over the Gulf of Mexico nosing in here. And once again, it looks warm and dry. So a decent chunk of next week at this point looking rain-free after some shower action this weekend. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. You're looking for the green line. That's the mean of the ensemble members. Between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 15th of May. And it sure looks like the warm weather is just locked in. I think the next time we see lows in the 40s will probably be sometime in October, the way it looks now. Most days will be in the 80s. And again, we might be touching 90. You can see 88 Thursday of next week. The next week on May 7th, 8th, 9th, highs close to 90. So it's just looking a lot like summertime here. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for May 7th through May 13th. Again, we're in the red, meaning temperatures will likely be above average. You know, it's kind of weird here where I'm getting more bug pictures than sunset pictures. The cicadas are here. And everybody's noticing that they're coming out of the ground. And, of course, this is the year we're scheduled to have an enhanced number of them. And they're popping up all over Alabama. They're here. These things just look creepy. Something like that thing looks weird. But this video was taken yesterday down in, I want to say, Talladega County. Childersburg or Sicada. And listen, these things are harmless. You know, they're creepy looking, but they're just harmless. Kind of like, you know, shelf clouds and stuff. But again, they are definitely here. And many, many folks have been sending in their photographs of these things. So get ready for a loud summer, those summer nights. All right, so today I'm headed up to the Shoals, Colbert Heights Elementary School in Tuscumbia. And then tonight I'll be speaking at the club for the Love Lady Center banquet. And that is a really marvelous ministry. They do such a great job. The ministry is centered out in Eastlake, and they take care of women and children that really, in many cases, don't have any other place to go. And the stories, the success stories are just really remarkable. Tomorrow, be at Walter Kennedy Elementary School in Pell City. And then after that, they'll be doing a program at Children's of Alabama for their patients and families. It's Weather Wednesday, the first Wednesday of the month. Always love that. Then Thursday, I'll start off the day early with the Mayor's Prayer Breakfast, the Birmingham Mayor's Prayer Breakfast at the Sheridan downtown. Looking forward to seeing my friends there. Then the School for Amazing Kids in Helena, and then Concord Elementary School after that. And then on Friday, Cherokee Elementary School up in Gunnersville, going to Marshall County. And we have a book signing Saturday in Birmingham, Pepper Place. That place is rocking and rolling on Saturdays. A big market day there. We'll be there from 10 until noon. And we'll have all the books and weather shirts and cool stuff like that. So if you're a weather dweeb, come see us. Again, Saturday, Pepper Place, 10 to noon in Birmingham. That's a really fun place to be. And again, could there be a shower around? Yes, but I think don't let that worry you too much, and that's the same for any type outdoor activity. So one more time, let's check the radar before we go. Again, that's the radar coming out of Mobile, and you can see a few scattered storms over Baldwin County, Alabama. A couple of showers over Escambia County in Florida. And up this way, the northern half of the state, again, that's the Birmingham radar. And again, for some of you, it's noisy, but understand, just because you've got loud thunder. That doesn't make a storm severe. We get that all the time. People think there should be some kind of a warning. Every thunderstorm has loud thunder and heavy rain and creepy-looking clouds, and those are thunderstorms. To be severe, you have to have 58-mile-per-hour wind or greater, or hail 1 inch in diameter or larger. And there's none of that going on here. These are just old routine showers and thunderstorms to start the day. Some of the heaviest rain is falling up in northeastern Tuscaloosa County, southern Walker County, then over to parts of Cullman County. Again, the bulk of this should be over by, I'd say, about 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then we're back to dry weather tomorrow and Thursday. So thanks for watching this morning. We hope you have a great day. You'll catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock if you can. Have a marvelous day, and God bless.